Hello, everyone, and welcome to the episode 18 of Form Guru series by MakeForms. I am Pratik, founder of MakeForms. Today, we are going to take a look at the calculated field. So, this episode is split into two different episodes. The first one being the very basic calculator, and the second one being a little advanced calculator. So, let's start by creating a standard form. So what I will do is we'll create a very simple calculator, which is like a calculator that calculates the total interest over the years. So for that, first thing that I will do is I will add a number field. This will be principal amount. Then we'll add one more number field, which is rate of interest. What we will do next is that we'll add a slider element. So this is nothing but the number, but with the slider we'll say number of years, and here minimum will be 1 and maximum will be 20 years. Okay, and then here this is the step. So when the user drags it, it will increase by 1. Okay, so with this we are set up with the three basic fields that we will use in our calculator. Now, to have a calculated field, what we have to do is first search for the calculated field. You click this here. Okay, and you can name this. So I will name this as total interest for. And what you can do is you can always recall the previous field's value in the titles. So I will remove this for now. Okay, and then in the right hand side we can see that the first thing that we have is the field name alignment. Okay, the second one is the placeholder text, where we can say your total interest will appear here. Okay, then this is the helper text, total interest that you will pay. Again, we have two type of helper text, one which is at the bottom of the text field, and the another one is the tooltip. So tooltip is basically where you hover it up, you will have total interest that you will pay. Now here we can see that we have this calculator. So what you will do is we will, since we have to calculate the total interest, we will first do principal amount into rate of interest into number of years. And what you can do is you can add this into a bracket, and you can always drag drop the fields around like this. So let's say I want to move this around and have this, you can do that. And then if you want to remove any of these options, you can just click the cross button. And then finally we will divide this by 100. Now let's quickly get into the design tab and enter the options. Let's say 100,000, 10% interest rate. Oh, by the way, in the design tab, you won't be able to see this, so we'll have to publish it. So let's see it in action. So I will enter 200,000 at 5% interest rate for, let's say, 2 years. So this calculates it out for us. So this way you can create basic level of calculators very easily. Now what you will do in the next episode is that we will use the calculated fields to calculate further. Like using calculated fields inside the calculation is something that we are going to see in the next episode. So this is how you can create calculators very easily using MakeForms. That's it, guys. Thank you, Pratik here from MakeForms. And again, I would ask you to like, share, and subscribe. And I would request you to please comment and let me know what kind of forms are you looking to make. So I can, in my future episodes, create content and create videos very specific to your requirements. That's it, everyone. Thank you. Bye bye. Pratik here from MakeForms.